Welcome to Himani Coaching Center. We are committed to simplify concepts and amplify confidence for all the students who are watching our videos and learning maths through us. Kids, today we will do multiples. So, in the past two videos, we had discussed divisibility rules, and now we will go one step ahead and try to understand the multiples of various numbers, and we will also find common multiples. Okay, so again what we are going to use is the tables. Okay, if you look here, what have we done? I am keeping the same sheet as in the previous videos. These are the tables of numbers from 1 to 10. So now let us focus on number 2 and 3. So let us say there is a person called Billu, and this person jumps 2 steps at a time. Okay, and there is another person, let us say friend of Billu. Let us name, so this is Billu for us, this is Deepu for us. Okay, Deepu, on the other hand, jumps 3 steps at a time. So now let us understand. So let us say this is step number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So, and below we will write again the same thing: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now let us look at how Billu is jumping. So Billu is jumping 2 steps at a time. So he comes here, then he will come to 4. Can you see? 2 step, he comes here, then he comes to 4, then he comes to 6, then he comes to 8. Okay. Then he comes to 10, then he comes to 12, then he comes to 14. So this is what Billu is doing. Okay. Now let us check about his friend Deepu. He is jumping 3 steps at a time. So he comes here 3, then another 3, he comes here 6, another 3, 9, another 3, 12, another 3, 15. Now can you check that both Billu and Deepu, if they are jumping 2 steps and 3 steps at a time, they will meet together at sixth step. Okay. Also, they are going to meet at 12th step as well. Now, this can happen for many more such steps. Okay. So, in this case, what are we doing? We are finding multiples of 2. So, see, this is 2, then 4, then 6. Can you see the table of 2? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, which is what is there. So, we have 8, then he went to 10, then he went to 12. While for Deepu, it is 3, which is this, then 6, which is this, then 9, which is this, then 12, this, which is this. So, now understand, this table is for 2 and this table is for 3. So when we look here, we find that 6 and 12, 6 and 12 are common multiples, common multiples of 2 and 3. Okay, so this is the concept of common multiples. Okay, so now let us quickly go to the tables and try to figure out from the given table what are the common multiples of 2 and 3. So let us look at the table of 2. So there is 2, 4, 6. Do we have 6 in 3? Yes. So 6 and 6, they are common multiple of 2 and 3. Then 2 6 are 12, 3 4s are 12. These are also common multiples of 2 and 3. Then what else can we find? So you look at 18, which is there in table of 3 also. So 18 is also common multiple of 2 and 3. Then you go ahead and you find there is 24. So 24 is also common multiple. Then 30 is there in the table of 2 as well as 3. So what is happening now? We can see that there are so many common multiples of 2 and 3. So let us write down and see if I go on, I can find many more such common multiples. So let us write common multiples of 2 and 3. So we will write 6, we will write 12, we will write 18, we will write 24, we will write 30. And out of these common multiples, the lowest number is 6. So which is called lowest common multiple of 2 and 3. Okay. So this is the concept of common multiples. Okay. So now let us look at other table. So now what we will do, we will use the same concept, but now let us find common multiples of 3 and 4. What are we doing in this? We are trying to find common multiples of 3 and 4. So now let us look at the table of 3. So there is 3, 6. There is no 6 in 4. 9, not in 4. 12. It is there in the table of 3 as well as 4. So 12 is a multiple of 3 as well as 4. Okay. Now 15 not there, 18 not there in table of 4, 21 not there, 24 is there in both 3 and 4. So 24 is another common multiple of 3 and 4. Now look at 27 not there, 30 not there, okay, 33 not there, 36 can you see it is here and here. So this is another common multiple. So for the numbers which we have written, so what I have done, I have made the tables till 15. Okay, we can go and make many more numbers table. But for now, common multiples of 3 and 4 from here are 12, 24 and 36. And what is the lowest common multiple of all? It is 12. So we will say 12 is LCM, lowest common multiple of 3 and 4. Okay. Now, what I want you to do is find common multiple, common multiples of 4 and 5, and out of those find the lowest common multiple. So you should pause the video and do this exercise right now. And advise to the parents or elders who are working with the kids on this video, please pause the video, ask the kid to solve it, and I will solve it right now. So pause the video and we will discuss the answers. So now, kids, I am sure you have done the exercise. Now let us do it together. So, in the table of 4, you see there is 4 not in table of 5, 8 not there, 12 not there, 16 not there, 20. 20 is there. So that means 20 is a common multiple of 4 and 5. So let us write down 20. Then 24 not in the table of 5, 28 not there, 32 not there, 36 not there, 40 is there in both. So another common multiple is going to be 40. Now, likewise, if you see 44 not there, 48 not in table of 5, 52 not in table of 5, 56 not in table of 5, 60. 60 is there in both the tables. So, common multiples of 4 and 5 are 20, 40, and 60. And what is the lowest of them all? That is 20. So what is LCM of 4 and 5? It is going to be 20. Okay. So now what I want you to do is find common multiples of 3 and 5. What are you supposed to do? Find common multiples of 3 and 5. Again, pause the video, do it yourself. You can use the table which I have made here, or you can make the tables yourself and do it. Okay, so pause the video, do it, and then restart because I will be solving it along with you. Again, advice to parents or elders who are helping the kids with the learning, please pause the video, ask the student to do it, and then restart because I would be doing it here. So, kids, I hope you have done it. Now, let us see what you did and what will we do. So, there is a table of 3 and a table of 5. In the table of 3, see 3 not there in table of 5, 6 not there, 9 not there in table of 5, 12 not there, but 15 is there in both the table of 3 as well as 5. So what is common multiple of 3 and 5? One of them is 15 we just got. Now look, 18 not there in table of 5, 21 not there, 24 not there, 27 not there, 30. Now look, 30 is there in both the table of 3 and 5. So we will say 30 is a common multiple of both 3 and 5. Likewise, if you see 33 not there, 36 not there, 39 not there, 42 not there, but 45 is there in the table of both 3 and 5. So 45 is a common multiple of 3 and 5. And then what is the LCM? LCM is the lowest of them. So which is going to be 15. Okay, kids, I hope you are understanding this concept because this concept is used very often in maths in higher classes as well. Now, what we will do, let us find common multiple of 2 and 6. So let me write common multiples as CMs, common multiples of 2 and 6. So let us do this activity together. So this is table of 2, this is table of 6. Now 2 not in the table of 6, 4 not in the table of 6, but 6 is there in both the tables. So 6 is one of the common multiples. Now, if you pay attention and observe 8 not there in table of 6, 10 not there in table of 6, but 12 is there in both the tables. So the next common multiple is 12. Now 14 not there in table of 6, 16 not there, but 18 is there in both the tables. So let us write that as well. Now let us look at 20, not there in table of 6. 22, not there. 24 is there in both the tables. So let us write 24 as well. Okay. Now 26, not there in the table of 6. 28, not there. But 30 is there in both the tables. So now let us write this. So what are we finding? For the numbers which are written on the board, common multiples of 2 and 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, and 30. And what is the lowest common multiple? 6. So what will we write? We will say LCM of 2 and 6 is 6. Okay. Now it is your turn. Now I want you to find the common multiples of 3 and 6. What did I say? Find common multiples of 3 and 6, and then you will also write the lowest common multiple. So kids and elders, if you are there with the kids, please pause the video, ask the student to solve it, and start the video once the student has done, and check whether he or she has done it right. If you are watching the video for the first time, please subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, share the video with your friends and relatives, and do like and give comments on the channel. Now kids, let us see the common multiples of 3 and 6. So let us use a different color now. So this is table of 3 and this is table of 6. So 3 is not there in table of 6, but 6 is there in both the tables. So 6 is common multiple of 3 and 6. Then 9 not there in the table of 6, but 12 is there. So 12 is common multiple. Then 15 not there, but 18 is there. So that means 18 is also a common multiple of 3 and 6. Then 21 not there in the table of 6, but 24 is there. So let us write this down. So 24 is also a common multiple of 3 and 6. Then 27 not in the table of 6, but 30 is there. So we will write 30 as well. Then 33 is not there, but 36 is there in the table of 6. So it is there in both the tables. So it is a common multiple of both 3 and 6. So you will find 39 is not there, but 42 is there. So let us write 42 as well. Now we have got the common multiples of 3 and 6. And of these common multiples, what is the least common multiple? So the answer is 6. So LCM of 3 and 6 is equal to 6. Okay. So kids, I'm sure you have understood the concept of common multiples and lowest common multiple. In the next class, we will learn prime factors and learn how to find LCM, lowest common multiple, using prime factors. So watch the video again 2 or 3 times to understand the concept. Okay, and try to do questions from your book. Okay, see you in the next video. Keep learning, keep getting wiser and wiser, and do well in studies, and do play some physical active games. Do not spend too much time playing online games. Bye for now.